This is my favorite part because I love growing herbs in my garden. The top 5 for juicing include cilantro, parsley, dill, mint, and oregano. Cilantro is rich in antioxidants, and it's a dietary fiber which can help lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol levels. So I associate cilantro with cholesterol benefits. Parsley is a natural diuretic, which helps the body to get rid of excess water. Dill soothes the digestive system and reduces insomnia, so I associate it with insomnia. Mint is rich in a plant-based omega-3, which is an important nutrient for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Oregano reduces infection and is used for the treatment of common cold. It relieves inflammation and kills intestinal parasites, as well as supports heart health. It is a digestive powerhouse, and it's in many of my juices, so I associate oregano with digestion. There are many other veggies, fruits, greens, and herbs that you can incorporate into your juices, which makes juicing so much more fun. Experiment with various ingredients to see what you like best. I only use 5 in each group to simplify the starting process for beginners. Next up, we have the 5 superfoods.